So done. So this is the first MCQ. So the answer for this is second, third, and the fourth cartilage. Good going, boss. Very good. MCQ 2. Recurrent laryngeal nerve within close association with
Inferior thyroid artery.
wow, great. Quickly. Superior thyroid artery and the superior thyroid vein are in relationship with what nerve? Are in relationship with the external laryngeal nerve, and that classification has been taught is the Sarnia classification. What I am going to teach you next day, not today, is something called as the triangles and the space of Reeves. This is something that I will be teaching you next day, not today. You are exhausted today. So in the next class, when you talk about the cricothyroid space of Reeves, we are going to talk about this. Okay. The inferior thyroid artery is a branch of which artery?
Thyrocervical trunk.
Very good. So the inferior thyroid, no, don't say subclavian. Come on, man. Don't say subclavian. Inferior thyroid artery is a branch of which thing? From thyrocervical trunk. Now, thyrocervical trunk comes from which branch, sir? Which part? Which artery? From subclavian. Now it can be first part or the second part, depends on which side. But for an MCQ, remember, inferior thyroid artery is a branch from which structure? जोर से बोलिए डॉक्टर साहब, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, जोर से बोलिए. What is the structure? Thyrocervical trunk. Very good. Middle thyroid vein. What is the corresponding artery?
No
artery. Very good. Which part of the lobe does the middle thyroid vein lie?
The inferior part of the
Lobe. Where does the middle thyroid vein drain?
internal
jugular vein. Where is the middle thyroid vein ligated?
Close to the gland.
Sorry. Close to the gland. Beautiful.
Straight
Superior
laryngeal
thyroid vein drains into which structure?
internal
Jugular vein. Out of these four, which is the first structure ligated in a thyroidectomy?
The superior thyroid artery.
No, not exactly. This is something that I have This is something that I have not taught you now, because there is a reason for this. Because there are surgeons who have various preferences. Usually, the middle thyroid vein is the first structure ligated during a thyroidectomy. So, if you are given an MCQ, what is the first structure ligated during a thyroidectomy? It is middle thyroid vein. Please mark that as an answer, because majority of us do that procedure only. We ligate the middle thyroid vein. But yes, there are surgeons who say that no, you should target the superior and then middle. But I will be marking for an MCQ. First structure to be ligated in thyroidectomy is a middle thyroid vein. Bas. Next question, MCQ 3. Sistrungs operation contains. Okay. Very good. Impressed. Good, man. You are really good with MCQs. So it is excision on the central part of the hyoid along with and the cone of the tongue muscle up to the foramen cecum. I think this is explanatory that I do not have to talk about. The operation name is called as Sistrungs operation. Please remember this part. Just a chota sa MCQ point, doctor, is that as I am teaching you an MCQ, okay, what is this operation called as? You can be given an image-based MCQ. What is this operation called as? Sistrung operation. Okay. What is this and what is that? You will be asked. This is the cyst. What is this part, sir?
Tract.
What is this one? This is the hyoid. Okay, and this is the
muscles.
along with the tongue muscle. Very good. Another advanced level question. Which operation in the body also goes by the same name? The answer for this is lymphedema. Like, sorry, lymphedema. Very sorry, very sorry. The answer for this is lymphedema. Just a minute. Just a minute, it went away. Is lymphedema. Okay, so this completes. So if you have taken this snapshot, good. Sorry. So MCQ 3 complete. So the answer for this is choice number 3, excision of central part of hyoid, cone of tongue up to the foramen cecum. Right. Most common, this question is MCQ 4 and is one of the most, this is one of the most important question. The chance that this has come as a repeat question is umpteen. Remember that the most common location is subhyoid. So please remember that this is the most common location of the thyroglossal cyst. So nothing more to comment upon this. Why does the thyroglossal cyst move upwards on deglutition or protrusion of the tongue?
Pendulum effect.
Because of the attachment to, attachment to the foramen cecum of the tongue. Another MCQ point done. Which is the most common cancer that can affect the thyroglossal cyst? Papillary cancer. Which is the most common complication of a thyroglossal cyst?
Fistula.
Before fistula, the most common complication is an infection. Infection can lead to an abscess formation. Abscess, when drained, can lead to a fistula, but that is sometimes it can subside with an antibiotic also. So if you ask me for an MCQ, which is the most common complication of a thyroglossal cyst, I will be marking infection. Why is infection so prone in a thyroglossal cyst? Because it contains lymphoid tissue. Okay, chalo. Now, another question from thyroglossal cyst, MCQ 5. The following statement about thyroglossal cyst are true, except frequent cause of anterior midline mass in the first decade of life. Is it true or is it false? True. It is true. Cyst is located within 2 centimeters of the midline. True or false?
True.
True.
False.
Incision drainage is the treatment of choice. False. Swelling moves upwards and protrusion of tongue.
True.
So this was a neat question 6 years back. I think you are good with this one now. So no more questions or explanations on this one. MCQ 6. Superior thyroid artery, all are true except I am very tricky in this one. Okay, Dr. Saab, एक minute. Let us move slowly. Okay. Superior thyroid artery is ligated near the gland. True. Capsule of the thyroid is removed.
False.
Okay, do not know, question mark. Inferior thyroid artery is ligated away from the gland.
False.
आगे करा होता.
Good one. Good thing, sir. It was maybe the question is from a dinosaur era. At that time, they used to consider it as true. Okay, chalo, but now we consider it as false. We keep the capsule, or it is an intracapsular dissection.
Hemorrhage हो जाएगा नाले.
Very good.
False.
So, sir, that
B
means,
হবে B.
do you remove the capsule?
Mm.
The answer is
Mm.
yes, we remove the capsule. The thyroid is taken with the capsule. Is the inferior thyroid artery ligated away from the gland? No, it is now ligated close to the gland. Hence, this statement is false. But previously, when this question was taken, maybe it was ligated away. But for today, I will consider it as false. Capsule is kept intact. The answer is false. So technically enough, if you ask me, in this type of questions, if you are given in this type of, there are two answers which are false. So what are you going to do? C or D?
So D.
Very good.
B আর D
Because
দুটো একসাথে
which
হবে।
okay, see, capsule is removed, capsule is kept intact. Well, D, because we are not keeping the capsule intact. This is not a prostate. I told you in the first class. We have to take out the capsule. Thyroid is taken with the capsule. So this is true. This is true. What about C? C is false, but D is more false. So if you ask me, I will be mentioning this as my answer. The MCQ does not give me two options. It is not like PGI Chandigarh. We have only one option. Capsule is kept intact is a false answer.
Can you
Chalo.
show MCQ number 5 once? Yes, sir, done.
A patient was operated for thyroid surgery for a thyroid swelling. Later in the evening, developed difficulty in breathing. The immediate management would be AIMS question.
Option D.
Oh
D.
my God. You
D,
have
D.
not looked at other ones also. Good. I'm very impressed. So the option is D. Ekdam. Very good. Explanation. I probably do not have to give an explanation today. These are notes from the last class that have been detailed about what you are going to do. Okay. Just tell me one thing. How does opening the wound in the ward help the patient?
Relieves the pressure.
It gives us time to take the patient to surgery.
Releases the pressure on the trachea. Very good. So this is the answer, and this question is MCQ. I do not know. I have lost count. What is this one? MCQ 7 maybe.
7.
This is a repeat question, and please remember this is a very important question for MCQ exams. Open the sutures in the ward. Okay. Chalo. Little more tough. Serum calcium is 7. What is the management that you are going to give?
IV
Calcium.
Pre-oral paresthesia. Oh, this is MCQ number 8.
IV
Huh?
calcium.
Okay, this is another important MCQ. Has come repeatedly again. Sir, it is treated by.
IV calcium.
So this is the answer. Now tell me one important point. How much of IV calcium gluconate is given?
1 ampule of
10%
10%
with 50 ml of 5% dextrose
50 ml of
5% extra.
in a slow IV infusion.
Okay. Followed by
10 ampules of calcium gluconate in 1 liter of 5% dextrose over 1 day period.
then followed by
Tablet of calcium carbonate if in mouth with vitamin D supplements if the patient is conscious. Otherwise, if not responding on the previous one, we can give magnesium supplements.
very good. You have covered all parts of an MCQ. Believe me, this is a repeat MCQ, and I can go on with talking about QT prolongations. I can talk about my management, but please remember this will be taught again by medicine guys. But this is extremely important for you to remember this MCQ. What is the first sign of a hypocalcemia?
Perioral paresthesia.
Perioral paresthesia. This comes as an MCQ question. First sign is a perioral numbness and paresthesia. The rest of the other signs are much later. After a thyroidectomy, how long later does this sign take to appear?
48 hours. 48.
48 hours. This. Okay. This is MCQ. I have forgotten the number. What will this be? Patient presents with swelling of neck following a thyroidectomy. What is the most likely complication?
Respiratory obstruction.
Respiratory obstruction.
Very good. Respiratory obstruction. Very good. See, this question is a very tricky one. It is trying to test you whether your clinical acumen is that. What is the cause of this swelling?
Bleeding from sutures.
Hematoma.
Due to bleeding. Okay. Okay, chalo. Good one done. So this is the answer. Last question, I hope. Patient developed a stridor within 2 hours.
Laryngomalacia.
Okay, good one. Very impressed. Very, very impressed. Remember, I have given you the algorithm that I gave you. Okay. I hope you understand why I give you this algorithm. So the answer for this is laryngomalacia. Okay, Dr. Saab, ये बताइए आप हमें कि when is what is the likely cause of stridor? Oh no, एक minute. I have not read the question myself. See, this is the problem that starts. All are likely causes of stridor except, well, even I was falling into the trap. Very good. Thank you for noting this. Hypocalcemia.
More than 15 hours.
Very good. Hypocalcemia, how long does it take to appear?
2 days, not 2 hours.
2 days. But all of these would be manifested. Okay. So probably the most common cause, as you have said, is laryngomalacia. But wound hematoma and recurrent laryngeal nerve palsies can also happen. At least I do not know 2 hours, but maybe within 12 hours. But this complication is never going to happen within 12 hours. How long is it going to take? 48 hours. So what is the answer for this one? Hypocalcemia. Okay, right.
Sir,
So job done.
hypocalcemiaর জন্য স্ট্রাইডারটা কেন হবে? মানে ল্যারিঙ্গোস্প্যাজমের জন্য।
Spasm.
Exactly,
Spasm of the
laryngo,
muscles.
sir, skeletal muscle spasm. That is the last stage of hypocalcemia.
আচ্ছা, thank you, sir.
Okay. Picture MCQs. What is this device? I have taught you this one.
Kocher's
hemostatic force.
Again, not Kocher, sir. It is called as Kocher's
Hemostatic.
forceps. I have told you 4 uses. Use number 1.
Obstetric uses like
Cord
artificial
clamping.
membrane.
Artificial membrane rupture, mastectomy, amputation.
Amputation, cord clamp.
So what are the 4 uses that I have taught you? Cord clamp, ARM, MRM, amputation. Okay. What is this instrument called as? Kocher's hemostatic forceps. This is a publication of my own from 2 of my
Scabbard.
students.
Scabbard.
Okay. Very good. What is the radiological sign? Sir, this radiological sign is called as a scabbard trachea. Okay. This radiological sign is called as a scabbard trachea. What does the word scabbard mean? This is the knife. This is called as the scabbard. And if you have seen the picture, can you see the airway that has happened? What is the disease that has produced this change? Hello. It is not retrosternal, sir. It is not behind the sternum. It is in the thorax.
Parasternal.
Okay. So what is this disease? What is the disease, man? The disease is a multinodular goiter that has made the trachea in that. So scabbard trachea is a sign of what disease?
Multinodular.
Tracheomalacia due to
Multinodular goiter.
multinodular goiter. Okay, chalo, ठीक है. So this is called as this trachea.
এটা কোলয়েড গয়টারের জন্য তো হতে পারে।
হতে পারে definitely, but it is more common with this point. Okay, chalo. Just a second. Last two questions. What is the clinical sign?
Obstetric sign.
Okay, this is called as
Obstetric sign.
Obstetric sign. Okay.
Carpocaudal
What is the blood pressure cuff?
20 mm above the normal.
20 mm above
20 mm above
systolic
the
blood
systolic. Okay, this is an important MCQ, right? Deformity in the hand. Quickly tell this to me. What happens to the interphalangeal joint? Oh, that is something called, right? What is the
Extension.
interphalangeal?
Extension.
Interphalangeal joint is
extension of the interphalangeal joint.
Metacarpophalangeal joint, ये बताइए.
Flexion.
Flexion. Thumb.
Flexion and
Opposition.
flexion and opposition.
position.
Wrist.
Ulnar deviation.
Ulnar deviation.
Ulnar deviation.
All of these are asked as a part of your MCQ. Please remember this picture and please remember this sign called as Trochu sign. Okay. What is the sign?
Bostic sign.
Which is the nerve involved?
Facial.
Okay. Which is the muscle that is being tested?
Masseter. Masseter.
Which is the muscle that is being tested?
Masseter.
No.
Laryngeal muscle.
And what is the muscle that makes you smile?
Major.
Masseter is innervated by which nerve?
Mandibular nerve.
Is the fifth nerve. Facial nerve is which cranial nerve?
Seventh.
nerve. Okay, so chalo, done. So with this we complete the class. Thank you. So what did you feel about the MCQ discussion? So did you do this more or it was useless?
So more